and welcome, friends. We are going to be doing they're called sensory bottles. These are bottles that can help you calm down and relax. You can watch them. You can watch the little things that are inside them fall, and it's a way to help us keep us calm and relax us, okay? So I am here with my friends and children, Liam, Layla, and Angel. We are going to be doing this project together. So the first thing we need is a water bottle. I kind of like these because you can put the lid like upside down like this one. Another good bottle is the Voss bottles. These are good too. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is take off the outside. So let's everybody peel your water bottles. Here you go. Peeled off your bottle, another thing you're going to probably need is some sort of a funnel. So I have these funnels that I picked up at the dollar store, but you may not have one at home. So another thing you can do is you can make a funnel yourself. So you kind of grab a piece of scrap paper and you make it into kind of like a funnel shape, like a little cone. And then you can use a little piece of tape to secure it. Okay, a little piece of tape. Okay, so what other materials do we need? We need clear glue. It's gonna make the things go down softly, gently. We need glitter. Any glitter that you have at home. You can have different textures of glitter. We have some bigger ones and some fine ones. And we can have other little things that we're gonna put inside our bottles. So we can have some little jewels. We have some little like party things that you have. You know when you go to a birthday party, they have these things on the table. Those things also work really well. And see, that's from that. And we also have different colors of glitter, okay? All right, so the first step is to put some clear glue in your bottle, all right? All right, so how much glue do you need? We're gonna need about this much, about maybe 1/2 inch to 1 inch of glue. Gonna eyeball it. Okay. Okay, so where's the lid? The next thing I'm gonna need is my glitter. So you can choose whatever color glitter you want. You can mix and match. You can use more than one. So the next thing that Liam is gonna use is some little diamonds. He's gonna put those in to make his...
I'm making mine all blue.
Okay, Angel's gonna use all blue. I'm gonna use metallic colors. So these different textures, I don't know if you can see it here. That's a good thing. Are kind of, it's like a little papery thingy, see? And that's gonna make, it's gonna make a nice little different kind of fall inside the bottle.
Oh, then is there any blue colors?
I don't know. All sorts of little things that you can put in it. Whatever you have laying around in your house, those crafting supplies that you have. Also, you can put little googly eyes. You wanna put some googly eyes in yours? Okay. So I'm gonna put some stars. Some teardrops.
No, Mom, I need a bigger funnel. It won't fit through this.
Okay, try this one, the homemade one. It's pretty big on the bottom. I don't know. Okay, so the next step after you feel like you're done is to put some water in it, okay? So you're going to pour water. You're not gonna pour it all the way. You're gonna go about halfway. I think you're good, Papa. You're gonna go about halfway. And then you're gonna shake it. Close it up and shake it. Why do we shake it?
because we want all the glitter mixed in with the water,
Wait, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
and then
What
we
about
need to
this
leave
stuff?
it so we don't make bubbles.
Mm-hmm.
Any blue? These things?
I don't know where they are. I don't think we have any more. Okay, so once your glitter and your glue is pretty mixed, like this one is, you're gonna want to open it up and let those bubbles kind of evaporate.
Ah. Wait, what about I put this in the cup?
Okay, so we've waited a while until all that foam started to become less and less. And now we're ready to fill it up with more water.
More.
We're gonna fill it up almost to the brim with water. And each of you is gonna put the lid on. Okay, so I'm gonna put the lid on again and we're gonna give it another good shake. And
Mom,
we're
ours
gonna
keeps
watch.
dripping.
Okay, maybe it's not closed well enough. So sometimes in life, our brains are going like that, and it's like you're shaking it up, and it's all chaotic.
Can you close mine? It's tight enough.
But then we can look when we can see that as things go on, we can look as things start to settle. And we can see that some things that start up as maybe like a big old craziness, they end up being quite beautiful. So you can help calm your mind, relax, and just watch the bottles, watch the glitter drift down while you let your emotions calm down too. Bye, I hope you enjoyed it.